Sounds like another Iowa Western women's soccer season's here. And with under a half dozen starters back and 23 or so new players looking to find the back of the net, this year's club hoping for a different path to the same old story.
Having a bigger group, there's just more people for them to rely on. And so we really feel like everybody's new, even the returners.
Listen while you're passing.
Definitely a team that's going to keep it and be purposeful going forward. We're going to attack, absolutely. I think that's going to be the strength of our team. But having said that, I think the biggest thing last year that in the end probably hurt us the most is we just weren't deep in the back.
I think that we want to play the ball and we want to have the ball, and I think that when we have the ball a little bit and then we go to attack, and that will work, I think.
Possession?
Yeah.
The girls coming in, do they know the history?
Yes, we've talked about it. We've talked about our values and how this team works, and we are a winning team and we are a family.
No team just wins on talent, you know. I mean, it's a necessity. But no team walks their way through with just talent without having really good, you know, cohesion.
The Reivers kick off their regular season schedule with 2 straight at home, starting with Illinois Central, Thursday night, August 20th at 6 p.m. The sounds of a new season with the hopes of the same old story.